Hello learners, I'm going to explain visual data exploration. As always, I've tried my best to explain these concepts most simply. For better understanding, I've taken up few examples to demonstrate the complicated concepts. Visual data exploration is a mandatory initial step where the more formal analysis follows. When combined with descriptive statistics, visualization provides an effective way to identify summaries, structure, relationships, differences and abnormalities in the data. Oftentimes, no elaborate analysis is necessary as all the important conclusions required for a decision are evident from a simple visual examination of the data. Other times, data exploration will be used to help guide the data cleaning, feature selection and sampling process. Regardless, visual data exploration is about investigating the characteristics of your dataset. Steps of data exploration and preparation. Remember, the quality of your inputs decides the quality of your output. So, once you've got your business hypothesis ready, it makes sense to spend a lot of time and effort here. With my estimate, data exploration, cleaning and preparation can take up to 70% of your total project time. Below are the steps involved to understand, clean and prepare your data for building your predictive model. How to load data files using pandas. How to convert a variable to different data type. How to transpose a table or pandas data frame. How to sort data. How to create plots, that is histogram, scatter, box plot. How to generate frequency tables. How to do sampling of data set. Part 1. How to load data files using pandas. Input data sets can be in various formats, that is .xls, .txt, .csv, .json. In Python, it is easy to load data from any source due to its simple syntax and availability of predefined libraries such as pandas. Here, I will make use of pandas themselves. Pandas features several functions for reading tabular data as a pandas data frame object. Below are the common functions that can be used to read data, including read CSV in pandas. Loading data from a CSV file. Code. Import pandas as PD. Comment. Import library pandas. df is equals to pd.read_csv within double quotes the path of the file. Comment. I'm working in Windows environment, reading the data set in a data frame using pandas. Print df.head 3 within brackets. Comment. Print the first 3 observations. Output is: for loading data from Excel file or files, please follow the code given below for the same. The output is printdf. Part 2. How to convert a variable to a different data type. Converting a variable data type to others is an important and a common procedure we perform after loading data. Let's look at some of the commands to perform these conversions. For converting numeric variables to string variables and vice versa, please follow the codes given below for the same. The later operations are especially useful when you input value from user using raw_input function. By default, the values are read as string. Convert character date to date. There are multiple ways to do this. The simplest would be to use the datetime library and strptime function. Here is the code. Please follow the one given below. Part 3. How to transpose a dataset or data frame using pandas. Here, I want to transpose table A into table B on the variable product. This task can be accomplished by using pandas dataframe.pivot. Please follow the code given below for transposing pandas data frame by a variable. The output is Part 4. How to sort a pandas data frame. Sorting of data can be done using dataframe.sort function. It can be based on multiple variables in ascending or descending both orders. Please follow the code given below for sorting pandas data frame. Above, we have a table with variables ID, product and sales. Now, we want to sort it by products and sales in descending order as shown in table 2. Part 5. How to create plots, that is histogram, scatter, box plot. Data visualization always helps to understand the data easily. Python has libraries like matplotlib and Seaborn to create multiple graphs effectively. Let's look at some of the visualizations to understand below behavior of variables. The distribution of age, relation between age and sales, and if sales are normally distributed or not. For plotting a histogram, follow the code given below. Here, this session comes to the end. Hope you are enjoying the course. Thanks for watching this video.